Namaste children, welcome to Vedic Mathematics. So in today's class, we are going to learn the application of third subsutra of Nikhilam Sutra. So it is also called corollary. Subsutra means corollary. So that is nothing but multiplication of a number by 9, I99, I999, etc. So let us check few examples here. So here 4 questions have been given. First one is 99 into 43. So how can we multiply the two numbers quickly? Okay. Okay. Now there are two steps, children. Step one is we have to subtract 1 from the number by which we are going to multiply by 9999. Second step is again we have to subtract the remainder, that is 43 minus 1 from 99. So let us check one product. So 99 we are multiplying by 43. Very simple. The very first thing is you have to subtract 1 from 43. So what do you get? 42. Now this 42 you subtract from 99. So 9 minus 2 is 7 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is the product of 99 multiplied by 43. So similarly, let us check B, that is 57 multiplied by 99. So here also whatever the number we are multiplying by, the numbers contain all 9. Okay, that is 57. From 57 what we need to do? Always you have to subtract 1. So this is the fixed number, children. So always you have to subtract 1. Okay, so 57 minus 1 is 56. Now this 56 again should be subtracted from 99. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, so this is the process, children. Let us check third one, 38 into 99. We can also write 99 into 38, or you can also write 38 multiplied by 99. Both are same. So here the first thing what we have to do, from 38 we have to subtract 1, and whatever we get the remainder, that should be subtracted from 99. So 38 minus 1 is 37. This 37 you have to subtract from 99. 9 minus 7, 2, and 9 minus 3, 6. So 3762 is the answer. Okay, you might have observed how quickly you are getting the products. So this is the benefit of Vedic Maths, application of Vedic Maths. Now let us check 99 into 42. Okay, so here this is also 2-digit number, 99 also 2-digit number. First we have to subtract 1 from 42. We get 41. This 41 again you subtract from 99. 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So 4158 is the product. So in this way, so what is the common number here we have taken? That is 99. Okay, in every product 99 is common. Okay, and whatever the other 2-digit number, from first we have to subtract 1 from that number. Again the remainder should be subtracted from 99. So this is the process. So this is the case of 2-digit number. If we take 3-digit number, let us check how can we apply this method. So you observe here the products. Here we have taken 999. In the previous problem, the common number we took there 99. Whereas here the number contains 3 nines, that is 999 common number we have taken in the product. Now if you multiply 999 by 563, so the same method is applicable. First what we have to do? Subtract 1 from 563. That is very simple. You can write 562, that is, now subtract 562 from 999. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. You see how quickly you got the answer. If you do the same by your regular traditional method, it takes more time. Now let us check this. 999 multiplied by 645. So we need to subtract 1 from 645 but not from 999. So if you subtract 1 from 645, you get 644. Again 644 subtract from 999. So 9 minus 4, 5. Just by seeing the digits you can write 9 minus 4, 5 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is the product. If you want, you can multiply and check, you get the same answer. Let us see the third one. So 999 multiplied by 259. Subtract 1 from 259, that is 258. This 258 again subtract from 999. So 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4, 5, 4. And 9 minus 2 is 7. So the answer is 2,58,741. So this is the product of the number by 999. Now let us take the number contain 4 nines multiplied by another 4-digit number. So here what is the common number? 9,999 is common. Okay. So according to our method, first what we have to do? Subtract 1 from 5267, that is you get 5266. This 5266 you subtract each digit from 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay, so the quick answer we have got. You can multiply and check. So similarly here also we have to subtract 1 from which number? From 3751. Then we get 3750. Again this each digit you subtract from 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is very simple answer we have got. Here we have to subtract 1 from which number? 5498. So we get 5497. Subtract each digit from 9. So 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. And 9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. So in this way, we can multiply any number containing all 9s by any digit number. Okay. Only the thing here you need to understand, you need to remember is, in one number, there should be all 9s only. Okay. And number of 9s must be equal to number of the digit of the other number. Okay. If it is not there also, no issue. Let us solve those also. Now you observe here, one number contains all 9s. Okay, but another number also it contains all 9. So the same method we can apply. What we need to do? Subtract 1 from 47962. We get 47961. Now each digit you subtract from 9. 9 minus 1, 8. And 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 4, 5. Okay, so this is the product. How quickly we got, you can check. Just within seconds we have got the answer. Whereas similarly here, one number contains 5 lines, but whereas in another number only 4 digits are there. Then what we need to do? So remember children, so to make the number of digits equal, let us keep 1 0 here, so that we get equal number of digits in both numbers. Now you can continue the same method. If you subtract 08891 minus 1, that is you get 8890. But here what is there? 0 is there. Now these all digits should be subtracted from 9 respectively. So 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 0 also should be subtracted because 0 is also countable here. 9 minus 0, 9. So this is answer. But children, after getting the answer, this 0 you can ignore it. So I am ignoring. So this is the answer. Okay, you can multiply in your calculator and you can check. So here 5 nines are there, but whereas here only 3 digits are there. Then what to do? So here instead of 2 more digits, we can keep 2 more zeros. Then we get 00391. How we got 391? We subtracted 1 from 392, we got 391. Now every digit you subtract from 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Start writing from rightmost. And 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Now these two zeros, later you can ignore them because they don't have the value. So this is the answer. Similarly, if 2 digits are there, so then also you can apply the same method. Here 3 zeros we are writing so that the number of digits in both numbers is equal. So here first what we need to do? From 58, if you subtract 51, you get 57. From 58, if you subtract 1, you get 57. But we have to write 00057. Later, each digit subtract from 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. And you get 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. After getting the answer, this 3 zeros you can ignore. So what is the sutra's name? It is, this is the third corollary of Nikhilam Sutra, children. Okay, so we have seen product of two numbers containing 2 digits. Okay, in that one number must contain all lines. Okay, here one number contain 3 nines. Here one number contain 4 nines and 5 nines. Okay, so this is a sutra. So now at last let me give you a problem. Then what is the product of 9999 9999 99? This number 10 nines I have taken, and randomly I am giving few digits. I am writing 3476 5493 27. Just randomly I gave. Okay, there is no significance in the number. Now what is the product of these two numbers? So by applying the same sutra, how can we find? Okay, here you can count how many nines are there. 10 nines. Here also 10 digits. So we follow the same sutra. That is, first we subtract 1. Then we get 3476 5493 6 we will get. Because 7 is there. If you subtract 1, we get 6. Now each digit you subtract from 9 and start writing the number from rightmost. That is 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. And 9 minus 3, 6. Okay. Even if you want to multiply using computer also, it takes time. Okay. So less time we can compute and we can get the product.